Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to clean all the sensors on ROBOROCK Saros Z70. This video is going to be a bit longer than most videos for cleaning sensors because there's quite a few of them here. Let's see the first sensor, of course, in the front. You should clean it with a microfiber cloth, just like that, pretty exactly, to make sure it's fully clean. Then the next sensor is on the right side. I believe there's none on the left side. Yes, there's just one on the right side, right here. Then there's another sensor which is located right here, and it should also be cleaned, so make sure it is clean as well. Then on the back of the robot there's this sensor for the charging base and the charging contacts, which should also be cleaned so that your robot can charge without any problems. Another thing is this part, which is another sensor. Now on the bottom of the robot there are a few more sensors. There's, well, more than typically. There's 6 of them. Typically there's 4. 2 of them are on the sides of the omnidirectional wheel right here, these black sensors. The other ones are right here above the wheels, like in front of the wheels, and 2 of them are behind the wheels. So and that is basically the cliff and carpet sensors. And now there's also a camera on the extendable arm. For that, I recommend extending the arm manually through the remote control to pick up mode. So if you go to the app, you'll find remote control to pick up, and you'll need to activate it. If you're using it for the first time, it'll ask you to press on the power button shortly once and then create a pattern. I already have a pattern set. I've activated it before, so I just need to select the pattern. Then you can click on remote control to pick up. It will start activating it. And now what you can do is click on manual and wait a little moment. It'll open the thing. Let's give it a moment. And now you should be able to see this camera right here, and just clean it very gently like that, and that should be it. Now you can simply click on the X button right here, click on exit and go back, exit, and now the robot will just close the arm. And well, that's it with all the sensors. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.